Let's learn how to enroll our CDE30 into my ViewBoard Manager. That'll make it easier to control and deploy settings instead of pulling out your keyboard, mouse, or using the remote. In order to do this, we do need to first use the remote to open Manager. Now you can enroll Manager this way using the pin code. However, if you have the serial numbers for your panels, you can also do a bulk upload via CSV file. We have a lot of other videos on Manager, including how to do bulk uploads, so be sure to check out those videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add this device by the pin number here. And the first thing I need to do is make sure that I assign an advanced license to this panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here in Manager. You'll see here in a second that this has been enrolled. If you ever open the Manager app, you can always check to see what the device is called. And now I could deploy different settings. I could do digital signage, but my favorite thing about this is at any time I could remote into this panel using the remote desktop option. And what the remote desktop option does for me is it takes my laptop and it turns it into that wireless keyboard and mouse that I was talking about earlier. So we'll get it here to connect. Now I can see the screen and I could come in here, for example, and I could open up settings and I could check the settings of the device. Or I could open up AirSync. So if I needed to check for a system update, I could do that here. And again, I'm just controlling all of this via my laptop. And then when you're done, I can click disconnect, confirm that I want to end my session, and then it will disconnect out of there. So one of the best things you can do with your CDE30 in terms of management is make sure you get it enrolled via Manager. Obviously, there's lots of settings you can apply, but my personal favorite is the remote desktop option.